Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the new Sony PlayStation 5. As you can see, this is the $4.99 version that comes with the Blu-ray disc player. This is the front of the box. On the right hand side, you have the PlayStation 5 branding. On the left hand side, you have the PlayStation 5 in the working position. This is the back of the box. You have Play Like Never Before trademark, along with the PlayStation and the DualSense controller, and some of the highlights of the next generation. Now, one thing that you guys may have noticed is the PlayStation box is very different compared to the previous generation, as it does not include the screenshot of the launch titles on the back. The look is very nice and clean. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. I'll go ahead and open it up. So here you have a box inside. So let's get this box out. And then, as you can see, the actual PlayStation is inside, so we'll take a look at that later. First, we will look at the box and what is in there. So, there it is, guys. We'll start with the user manual. You have two user manuals here. And then in here you have your PS5 stand, as well as the HDMI. So let's put this on the side and put the manual back in here. This is the power cable. And this is the new DualSense controller. This is actually my first time holding it in my hand. Wow. It just looks amazing, guys. This is such a huge step up from DualShock 4. And you guys may remember, if you have been following PS5 launch, the DualSense was the first controller, was the first thing that Sony actually revealed back, I think, in June. It is definitely a little bit heavier than DualShock 4. But it has a very nice feel, very nice feel. The triggers are amazing, and you can actually feel the texture, although it is hard to see. You have the PlayStation button right here, and then you have the mute button. And to be honest with you, the color is really not white. What you see in the picture is not really what it actually is. It has a grayish touch to it, so that's a good thing. I like that about this. So this is the DualSense. Let's see what else we have in the box. This is the USB-C charger for your DualSense controller. So let's get the stand out of the I like the print quality of the stand. So that's basically what you get in that white box that I just opened. You have your 3 cables, you have a user manual, the stand, and the DualShock. So now we'll go ahead and open the actual console. Alright guys, so we're gonna be unboxing the actual console. So I'm just gonna lay it down like this and take it out from the box. Alright, this thing is guys really heavy. This actually is very heavy.